I'm sure you've heard the news. Microsoft's Notepad just got a massive upgrade. Let's explore. Introducing the brand new AI-powered rewrite feature in Notepad. Highlight your text, right-click or hit Ctrl+I and watch the magic happen. The AI will offer 3 rephrased versions, letting you pick the perfect one. Starting with Windows Insiders on version 11.2410. 15.0 of Windows 11. This feature is available to Microsoft 365 Personal and Family and Copilot. Pro subscribers in select regions, including Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia and more. But don't worry, a broader rollout is on the horizon. And that's not all. Notepad now launches 35% faster for most users, with some enjoying over a 55% speed boost. It's never been easier to streamline your writing and boost productivity. Ready to rewrite your world? Upgrade your Notepad today and don't forget to subscribe for the latest AI updates. Catch you next time.